All right, y'all. So I'm gonna show you how I make my homemade cranberry sauce. So I said I have some bagged cranberries, some strawberries, some orange juice, and some sugar, and that's all you need. So I'm gonna rinse these off and check them, go through them. The darker they are, the better. This is like a mixed bag, but we're gonna make it do what it do. And some craisins. You're gonna put about 1.5 cups of these craisins in there. Okay, so you're gonna put them in a sauce pot. You're gonna almost cover your cranberries. And then I'm gonna add in the strawberries and the sugar. So now you have your cranberries, your craisins, your strawberries, your sugar, and your orange juice in here. Tip, make sure you don't get a bitter orange juice. Make sure the orange juice you get is on the sweeter side, okay? So just keep that in mind. So you're going to put as much sugar as you like. I say start with about 1/2 cup. I like mine more on the sweeter side than on the bitter side. It just depends on what you like. And I would say about 8 to 15 strawberries. Again, that's going to depend on how sweet you want it and how sweet your strawberries are. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so this has been going for a few minutes. It's going to start bubbling up and it's going to start foaming. Don't get scared. The foam's going to go away. Okay? Just let it keep going. As it starts to boil more, you're going to get more foam. It's normal. Don't panic. Don't stop it. Don't throw it away. Just let it go. You're going to cook it on about medium. You're just going to let it simmer. And you see it's starting to go away. So just keep that in mind. It's going to come up to where it's going to be really foamy, and then it's just going to reduce down. And then you're not going to have any. Okay? See? Even less now. And you're just going to keep stirring it. See? Even less. You know, taste as you go to see if you need to add any more sugar or whatever. It's up to you. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to let it cool, and as it cools, it's going to get thicker. You can put this in any, put an immersion blender in here and get it as, pureed as you like, but I like a little texture in mine. Okay. So it's cooled down. Still hot, but I let it sit. And I'm just gonna let it totally and completely cool in here. See? That is so good. So that is it. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Hope that y'all have a wonderful Thanksgiving and a wonderful holiday season. Let's end the year on a high note and go into the new year with positivity and love. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.